Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the next topic, that is statistic from the as per the new pattern, that is multiple choice question. So the first question here is, for the following distribution the model class is, which is the model class out of this distribution we have to check. So here they have given, you can see class interval 0 to 10. So here given class interval is like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. See, we should be very quick. I have told in my previous videos also. Here they are not going to see our steps. Here they are going to check the answer. So 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. This is the class interval. You can see here they have given the frequency is increasing. They have given here cumulative frequency 3, 12, 27, 57, 75 and 80. Now let us check the frequency here. How we will get frequency? I'll write 3 as it is. 12 minus 3. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 27 minus 12, 15. 57 minus 27, 30. 75 minus 57, 18. 80 minus 75, 5. So now we have to check which is the model class. So here we know that for direct model class we need to check highest frequency first. Which is the highest frequency? Highest frequency is here 30. You can see the 30 is the highest frequency. So we can highlight here 30, this line. So which is the model class? Model class we can see 30 to 40 is the model class. So option C, 30 to 40 is the correct answer. Let us see next question. If mode of the data is 45, mean is 27, then median is. So we know that mode is equals to 3 median. Mode is equals to 3 median minus 2 mean is a formula. So we want to find the what they have told, median. So we'll write mode is equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. So what is given here? They have given mode 45, mean 27. Mode 45, median we don't know, mean 27. Okay. So now let us keep 45 as it is. Minus, if we bring here it will become plus. 27 into 2 is nothing but 54. Is equals to 3 median. Okay. Now 54 plus 45 is 99. 3 median. Median is equals to 99 upon 3. That is 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So we got median is equals to nothing but 33. Let us check the answers. Yes, C 33 is a correct option. Let us see next question now. The relation connecting the measure of central tendencies are. So which is the correct option out of this? We know mode is equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. So option B is the correct option. To know the correct option, we need to know the measures of relationship between measures of central tendency. We should know it. That is mode is equals to 3 median minus 2 mean, so that we can directly tick it. Next question. The mean and median of the data are 14 and 15. The value of mode is same like this problem only. What they have given, mean and median respectively is there. So mean 14, median 15. Okay. So mean 14 and median 15. Again we know the formula. What is the formula? Mode is equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. So 3 median, 3 into median is 15 minus 2 into mean is 14. 15 3s are 75 minus 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 28. 75 minus 28 we have to do. Then we will get 15, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 17, like here we have got 6. 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4. 47. 17 it should be. There is some mistake. Let me check it properly. Okay. 15 3s are 45. By mistake I have written 75. 15 3s are 45. So 4 here means 17 answer. Here 3 remains. 3 minus 2 is 17. So correct option is 17. That is B. 17 is the correct option. Here you can see the upper limit of the median class of the following distribution is. You can see here the following distribution is 0 to 6. And 6 to 11. It is not in an inclusive form. We have to write in a proper form first. Okay. So 0 to 5 how I will write? Let me write here. 0 to 5 is nothing but 0.5 to 5.5. Okay. Then again 5.5 to 5.5 to 11.5. Okay. Then 11.5 to 17.5, 17.5 to 23.5, then 23.5 to 29.5. This is the class interval. Actually what they have told, the upper limit of the median class they have told. Okay, frequency, let me write. This is class interval. Proper form we have to write first. 13, 10, 15, 8, 11. 13, 10, 15, 8, 11. Okay, this is the frequency. To find the median class, we need to know the cumulative frequency. So, CF is equals to 13 as it is. 13 plus 10, 23. 23 plus 15, 38. 38 plus 8. 38 plus 8 is 46. 46 plus 11, 57. Now we need to know the cumulative frequency, right? Median class we need to know. So here if you add this frequency we are going to get 57. So 57 n by 2. N by 2 is 57 by 2. 57 by 2 is nothing but we are going to get 28.5. If we divide this, if 28.5 comes after which cumulative frequency here? After 23, 28 comes. So this is our median. We have to write the underline here. So upper limit, this is the lower limit, this is the upper limit. So upper limit of median class is 17.5. So the correct option here is B. 17.5. They have told upper limit. So upper limit of median class is 17.5 because we know how to find median. So this in cumulative frequency we have to check after which number 28.5 comes. So after 23, so we have to underline this. In this upper limit is 17.5. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Construction of cumulative frequency table is used for determining. Construction of cumulative frequency. In mean we are not finding cumulative frequency. In mode we are not finding cumulative frequency. But in median we find the cumulative frequency. So correct option is median. Next question is. The measure of central tendency which cannot be found graphically is. So the measure of central tendency is cannot be formed graphically in mean. In mean we cannot there will be no graph for mean. Okay. So now let us see the question number 8. which of the following not a measure of central tendency? Out of this, which is not measure of central tendency? We know that mean is under central tendency, median also, and mode is a central tendency. Range is not a measure of central tendency. So this is the correct option. Option C is the correct option. Now let us see the question number 9. For a given data with 50 observation, the less than ogive and the more than ogive intersect at 15.5 and 20. Which is the correct for the given data with 50 observation? Okay, so we know that we can draw and see here. So this is the tabulation. We know a less than type comes from down to up, and more than type it will be like this. So median is nothing but it goes for x-axis. Median intersect at x-axis. We have to find the median. So here we know this 15.5 comma 20. So this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. So our answer is nothing but 15.5. They intersect at 15.5. So D option 15.5 is a correct option. So let us. So here the next question is, one of the method of determining mode is, here mode is equals to 2 median minus 3 mean, mode is equals to 2 median plus 3 mean, mode is equals to 3 median minus 2 mean, and mode is equals to 3 median plus 2 mean. We know that mode is equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. So the correct option is option C. Okay. Let us see now. Mode is, the meaning of mode is least frequent value, middle most value, most frequent value, none of this. We know that mode is nothing but most frequent value. Okay, option C. Now last question of this chapter, that is statistic, because almost all repeated problems, similar repeated problem with the different numbers. Okay, a student scores 65 marks in first language, 50 marks in science, 55 marks in social, and some marks in mathematics. Some marks, we don't know how much. Okay, if the average marks scored by him in all 4 subjects is 60, then the marks scored by him in mathematics is, okay, first average is nothing but average is equals to sum of all subject divided by number of subject. First is what? First language plus then science plus social plus maths. Okay, this is the subject divided by how many subject? 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, now average they have told 60. So in place of average 60, first language how much marks? 65 marks. In science they have told 50 marks. In social they have told 55 marks. And in maths we don't know how much marks, because we have to find, they have told some marks upon 4. So this 4 divided is there. If we take this side, it will become multiply. 60 into 4 is equals to 65 plus 50 plus 55 is nothing but if we add this 170 plus maths. Okay, maths is equals to, okay, now if we multiply this 240, maths plus 170 is there, is equals to 240, maths is equals to 240 minus 170 is nothing but maths is equals to 70. Okay, so the correct option is nothing but 70. D 70 is a correct option. Okay, now this is the last question from statistics chapter. So in my next video I am going to solve the last chapter, that is surface area and volume. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.